When nature calls. When nature calls, the sound wakes up the soul. Nature provides pleasant surroundings where you can feel safe. There may be an intimate feeling of loneliness where the smell of nature captivates the soul. Listen to hear a stream of water flowing in the distance, to a waterfall running over a cliff, making the air moist. No matter how far you walk into the garden, you will not get lost as each trail leads back around to where the journey began. People pass by not knowing what secrets are hidden in this garden. When you enter into the garden, it feels like a new world exists where there are no laws, sickness, criminals, or disasters. Take a walk down one of the many trails. Whichever one you take, nature will call to wake up the soul. You will hear crunchy sounds on the trails of twigs, tree limbs, and dry leaves snapping. These sounds will let you always know that you are not alone. It's like walking in heaven, but only it's here on earth. When nature calls, the sound wakes up the soul. When you enter this beautiful garden, you feel free, as you are free to walk the direction and on the path you choose. Listen so you will hear when nature calls.